Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And this is the Advent calendar for day 5. And day 5, if this will help you, is Friday, December 30th, okay? I have to say it myself just to keep track of things too. So I have the 12 Days of Beauty Advent calendar from Macy's. And I got this beautiful calendar from Cece's Trial Size Life and Laura the Bargain Hunter. And we're gonna look for day 5. So it has a nice magnet closure here, and when you open it, everything is in this box section here, and day 5 is down here. So let me see if I can get it out of there. And it's something very, things are in here very nicely, which is great, nice and tight, so it doesn't get damaged. This is Peter Thomas Roth. Let's see what, it's pumpkin enzyme mask. Enzymatic dermal resurfacing. Well, I thought the Peter Thomas Roth was all hair. And this is full pretty well, which is good. Well, that just sounded like dermal. Well, maybe it is for your head. Let's see, 3-in-1 intensive skin resurfacing mask. Exfoliates with pumpkin enzyme. Okay, so I could be wrong. I just am not that familiar with Peter Thomas Roth. I think everything I've ever gotten from him has been for hair. But this says applied to clean skin 1 to 2 times a week. Okay, gently massage with wet fingertips and leave on for 3 to 7 minutes and then rinse. Okay, it's 14 mLs. And once you open this container, it's good for 18 months. So that's a nice travel size because, if you open it and just use it once or twice while you're away for a weekend or something, it is sealed. It still will be good the next time you go somewhere, which I like that. I like to have those kinds of things in my carry case. So very, very nice. So Peter Thomas Roth, very bougie brand. So thank you all for stopping by to see what I got in the Advent calendar today. And I hope that you are doing well and count your blessings, everybody. Bye-bye.